Join me as I take on the challenge of waking up feeling energized instead of tired. Let's see if I can change my morning routine for the better. Waking up feeling tired is a problem that many of us face, especially in today's fast-paced world where sleep issues are becoming increasingly common. It's like our bodies are constantly running on low battery, and no matter how many cups of coffee we drink, we just can't seem to shake off that groggy feeling. So why do we wake up feeling so tired? Well, one of the main culprits is poor sleep quality. When we don't get enough deep restorative sleep, our bodies don't get the chance to repair and recharge, leaving us feeling drained and sluggish the next morning. Lifestyle habits also play a huge role. If you're someone who stays up late watching TV or scrolling through your phone, you're probably not getting the best quality sleep. And then there's stress. Whether it's work-related or personal, stress can wreak havoc on our sleep patterns, making us feel anxious and on edge even after a full night's rest. What's more, waking up tired can have a significant impact on our daily lives, making it harder to focus, be productive, and enjoy the things we love. But it's not just about the quantity of sleep we get, it's also about the quality. When we're stressed or anxious, our brains can be racing, making it hard to wind down and relax, even when we're in bed. This can lead to a light, fragmented sleep that leaves us feeling unrefreshed and groggy in the morning. Another common cause of waking up tired is our daily routines. If we're not creating a relaxing bedtime routine, or if our sleep environment isn't conducive to sleep, we're setting ourselves up for a poor night's rest. And let's not forget about the screen time. The blue light emitted from our devices can suppress melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. So how can we break this cycle of waking up tired and start feeling more energized and refreshed in the mornings? Well, the first step is to prioritize sleep quality. This means creating a bedtime routine that signals to our brains that it's time to wind down. Whether it's reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle stretches, the goal is to relax and calm our minds and bodies. We should also optimize our sleep environment, making sure it's dark, quiet, and cool. And of course, managing screen time before bed is essential. Try to avoid devices for at least an hour before bedtime, or use blue light filtering glasses or apps. By making these small changes, we can start to see a big difference in our sleep quality and how we feel in the mornings. But there's one more tip that can have a dramatic impact on our energy levels, and that's consistency. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, including weekends, can help regulate our body's internal clock and improve the quality of our sleep. And if we can make mindfulness a part of our daily routine, we can start to feel more grounded and centered, even on those tough mornings. One of the most effective changes I've made is incorporating a mindfulness practice into my morning routine. It's amazing how just a few minutes of focused breathing and meditation can set me up for a more energized and focused day. And the best part is, it's not about waking up at 5 a.m. and doing a 2-hour yoga routine. It's about making small, manageable changes that can fit into even the busiest of schedules. So to recap, making small changes to our sleep habits and daily routines can lead to big improvements in how we feel in the mornings. By prioritizing sleep quality, optimizing our sleep environment, managing screen time, and incorporating mindfulness practices, we can start to wake up feeling more energized and refreshed. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Do you struggle with waking up feeling tired? And what changes have you made to improve your sleep habits? And if you want to dive deeper into improving your sleep, be sure to check out my other video on sleep habits for more in-depth tips and strategies. And if you're looking for more inspiration, visit my website, innerharmony.co.in, for tips and resources on living a confident, happy life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content.